Been talking about the convert anchor point tool quite a bit already. Let's continue to talk about it. So, it used to be just called convert anchor point tool. Now it's called anchor point tool. Keyboard shortcut is Shift C for this one. Now, as we said earlier in this series, this is one where if you have a straight segment, you can click and drag and you can convert that into a curve. And here I just did one side of it, but I'm clicking and dragging to make curves. Or if something is already a curve, I can use Shift C, convert anchor point tool, and anywhere that I click on anchor points, it's going to turn them into straights, right? So it's this conversion. You can go straight to curves and back and forth, vice versa. This tool also allows you to click on, one side of to grab a control handle on one side of the anchor point and break it, as we've seen, to move things off in independent directions. And if those are like messy and say there's like a little bump in your path or whatever, like right there, this is useful for just clicking and re-pulling and realigning those if they're broken. Like, yeah, broken, sometimes you want, sometimes you don't. So oftentimes you're taking and re-pulling so that you realign those previously broken control handles over that path to smooth things out. Now the other, crucial thing that this does is this idea of breaking paths, breaking control handles across an anchor point so that they're going off in radically different directions potentially. So being able to draw something like this wave shape, let me move it out of here for a second. So pen tool, click and drag, drawing the first part of this curve, clicking and dragging again. Now if I were to draw my next, part of this, it's a curve, but it's going in not the direction I want it to. So holding down Alt Option on the keyboard, taking the control handle just on one side of the anchor point and saying I want my next curve to start by going down in this direction, pointing to the left, and then curve over this way. Then hold down Alt or Option. I want the next one to go up and over this way. So I'm going to go up, click and drag. Hold down Alt or Option, move this down, click and drag. So this idea that I can radically change the direction that my path is moving while keeping it curves the whole time. So it's always curves going into and out of my anchor points here, but they're moving in radically different ways. This path is not a smooth curve on all of it. There's jagged edges there. So that's really important.